Here's a quick tutorial of reverse effect video. Go to InShot app, select New, and select the videos which you want to apply on the reverse effect. You need to tap on the duplicate. After tapping on the duplicate, you need to tap on the reverse to the video which is a copy of original video. Repeat this for the other videos. Tap speed to adjust the speed. Select curve to adjust the motion of the video. Tap the icon. Smooth. Repeat this for the other videos. Here's the final result. A quick tutorial of reverse video. If you like this video, don't forget to share, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and to get notified, press the bell icon. Thank you.